The next category of herbs we're going to talk about is the aromatics. The aromatics work because they have volatile oils. They have oils that make them hot, make them exciting. Capsicum is well known as cayenne pepper. You know, you go to the Mexican restaurant and it's like, oh, that's capsicum. Ginger. A lot of people think about gingerbread and it's very, nice and soothing. But if you've ever had real ginger root, it will burn the mouth right off you. Cinnamon, cloves, these are all high in volatile oils. And the point of the aromatics is that they are hot and dry. And what they do is they bring energy. They bring energy and vitality and excitement to the body. They open breathing passages. They open veins and arteries. They help blood flow. It's just think energy. So I've got a little bit of capsicum here, and I'm going to put just a itty bitty little bit in the water here, and let my lovely assistant tell us what happens when he drinks it. And how does that feel for you?
Unpleasant, I would have to say.
Hot?
Yeah.
Okay. How about some of this to counteract it? Yeah, let's switch it around a little bit. And that will help cool the heat. Better?
Yeah. That'll help.
Okay. See how the counteraction goes here? Okay, that's aromatics.